guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So we're about to head into CVS so I can share with you guys the deals starting August 19th. So there are some great deals, and also follow me on Instagram. I just learned the whole Instagram stories business. It was actually Llewellyn, Savvy Coupon Shopper. I was texting her so much and asking her, I'm like, how do I do this stuff? How do I do it? So I started posting Instagram stories. So if you want to see like a little glimpse into my everyday life, then make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'll have my handle below, so let's just go ahead and head into CVS for the deals. Okay, you guys, so my first deal is in the body wash aisle. So the Irish Spring body washes, these guys are priced 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get a $3 extra care buck, so that shaves you down to $5. And then if you got a CRT like I did, so I got a 2 off 8 CVS CRT for body wash, that's going to take an additional $2 off. So final cost is 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. I don't think there are any manufacturer coupons to pair with this. There might be on the Irish Spring website. If there is, I'll have it linked below. And if you pick these up for donation purposes, check for the 3-in-1s, because this is a hair, body, and face, so you can get a 3-in-1 product. So if, like I said, if you pick these up to donate, then go for the 3-in-1. They even have some, I've never really checked like the different varieties for men's body wash, but they even have like a deep action scrubs. If you want to get your guys to start exfoliating, there you go. Okay guys, so L'Oreal Cosmetics this week is on a spend 15, get $5 back in extra care bucks. So what I found is the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented eyeshadow palette. So this is priced for $14.99. And then there's a 3-off-1 coupon that was in the 8.5 Red Plum, and you're gonna get a $5 extra care buck back. It's $14.99, so it will trigger that extra care buck. So after extra care buck, it's gonna be $6.99, and I think that's really good for this palette. Let me know if you guys want me to pick it up and try it out for you guys. And then also, if you have a 30% off CRT like I got, it's 30% off of any L'Oreal Cosmetics. You could stack it here, and you're going to take an additional $3.59. So final cost would be $3.40, and then you could stack any cosmetic CRTs you have. So if you have like a 3-off 12, you can stack this, and then you can get this guy for 40 cents. So really great deal. Something else that I highly recommend from this line is the L'Oreal Infallible Pressed Shadows. This is fantastic also, and some of you guys were mentioning the L'Oreal mascara. I forgot what it is, but let me know in the comments. And I did not get that 3-off-1 coupon, so if you guys got that coupon and you want to share one with me, my mailing address is in the description box. And there's also a $1 printable coupon on coupons.com, so I'll have that coupon linked for you guys as well. Okay, you guys, so this week Physicians Formula is on a spend 10, get $7. So I'm gonna suggest something to you guys that I have been using forever. So it is the Brow Last Long Wearing Brow Gel. So it is priced for $11.99, so you'll buy one for $11.99, get that $7 extra care buck, makes it $4.99. Now if you guys have any 4-off-1 coupons, this came in like a weird mailer at my mom's house, so this is like a unicorn coupon, so I'm gonna get this guy for 99 cents. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so this week Rimmel Cosmetics is on a buy 2 get $5 in extra care bucks. So I'm going to recommend something that I have been using also, and it is the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Colors. This was in my must-have drugstore lippies. So these are priced for $6.49. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $12.98. Now we have $1-off-1 coupon still from the 6/17 Smart Source, so use 2 of those. And if you have that 2-off-8 Rimmel Cosmetic CRT, use it here. So final cost after extra care buck is $3.98 for both of them if you have those $1-off-1 coupons and that 2-off-8 CRT. And these are going to be regular price, so if you do have a percentage off email coupon, it is going to shave off a little bit. Okay, you guys, so the L'Oreal shampoos, these guys are priced for 2 for $8 this week, or starting on the 19th. They're priced 2 for $8, and we're getting a 3-off-2 coupon that's coming in the 8/19 Red Plum, and we're getting a 2-off-3 CRT coupon that's going to be printing for the Red Machine. If you don't know how to use your CVS app, I do have a video linked below. So final cost is going to be 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. Now if you have a 4-off-18 CRT for hair care, then I'm going to show you another hair care deal that you can go ahead and take advantage of, and pair that 4 off 18 CRT. And then also, if you guys have that 8 off 60 CRT that's printed, the next few shampoo deals, you could do them together and really take advantage of that 8 off 60 as well. Okay guys, so Nexus is on a buy one, get a $4 extra care buck, or buy two and get a $12 extra care buck. So obviously it's better to buy two. So what I found, it does exclude the travel and trial size. So what I found is a 5.1 fluid ounce of the conditioner. This is the Caviar Complex Conditioner. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this word. I have no clue. But anyways, this guy is priced for $11.99. So go ahead and buy two of them. Comes to $23.98. Now, if you have a 4 of 18 CRT for hair care, definitely use it here. And then you'll get $12 back in extra care bucks. So final cost is $7.98 for both, or I think it's $3.99 each, something like that. So we started at $11.99 and now we're down to $3.99. So hopefully you guys have that 4 of 8 CRT for hair care. And then like I said, if you have that spend 60 get 8 off, this would be a great item to pair with some high costing, you could pair it with the Cosmetic deals, and the Nexus is pretty high out of pocket, so already you're at $23.98. Is that what I said? $23.98, something like that. So definitely hit up the Nexus aisle. I did pick up the dry shampoo 2 weeks ago, and I'm actually loving this. This is priced for $14.99, so just pick up whatever you want. Try something new. Okay guys, so the Colgate Optic White, these guys are on sale for $3.99 this week, and you're gonna get a $2 off, or you're gonna get a $2 extra care buck when you buy one. This is a limit of 2. We had $1 off 1 coupons from coupons.com. If it's still available to print, then I'm going to link it below. So that's gonna make it 99 cents after extra care buck and coupon. Now, we try to tell you guys not to pay for toothpaste, but in my opinion, I think Optic White is a pretty good brand of Colgate. So if you're just now starting couponing, like this is your first couponing video you're watching and you want to go and try a deal, this is a really easy deal for someone just starting off with couponing. Now, if you have a 2 off 2 CRT, you could use 2 of those 2 off 1 printables, and then you'll get $4 in extra care bucks, and that CRT, the 2 off CRT, will make it free. So potential freebies, but 99 cents if you're just now starting out on couponing, not a bad deal. Okay you guys, so my favorite razors on sale. So the Gillette Mach 3, these are on a buy 2, get $8 in extra care bucks. So they're priced for $8.99 each. So buy 2 of them for $17.98. You want to use 2 of those 3 off 1 coupons from the August P&G. They're still valid. There's also a 2 off 1 you could send to your CVS app. Again, if you don't know how to use your CVS app, I have a video linked below. So you'll pay $11.98, get that $8 extra care buck back. So now you're looking at $3.98. If you have an email percentage off coupon, it's going to shave off a little more. And then if you have a shave CRT, definitely pair it here. I think that this is a great deal. So even if you don't have the CRTs, I would highly recommend it, because this is, like, I tell you this every time this deal rolls around, this is the only razor I will use. All the other razors, the Schick razors, the Bic razors, they always leave my skin like burning after I'm done shaving. This one, not at all. Maybe it's because they don't have all those like fancy frou-frou scents like some of the women's razors, but this is the one razor I will use, and I will never go back to any other razor, so pick it up. Alright you guys, so Captain Crunch this week is on sale on 2 for $5, and also the Quaker granola bars, they're 2 for $5. And we have a $1 off 2 coupon from the 8.5 Retail Me Not. So that's going to make this 2 for $4 or $2 each. Now starting price for Captain Crunch here is $5.29. So now we're getting them 2 for $4 if you have this $1 off 1 coupon. Thank you Vicky Fellers for sending me this coupon, and also writing at the top what insert it came from. You watched my Sunday couponing routine video, because every coupon that you send me always has the insert written above. So thank you Vicky for letting me just stay on top of it, especially when I'm in-store filming, so I can give you guys the most accurate info I can. So let's thank Vicky Fellers for being a #1 team player here. Okay guys, so we have another promo on some granola bars. So this is on the Kind granola bars. So these guys are priced 2 for $6, and when you buy $10 worth, you're gonna get $3 back in extra care bucks. So if you wanted go ahead and do this deal, buy 4 of them for $12. Then you're gonna get $3 back. So final cost is 4 for $9. So not a bad deal because the starting price on these guys are $5.49. So getting them 4 for $9 is a fantastic deal. So definitely stock up on this. And this is a pack of 4, and the granola bars are a pack of 5. So not a bad deal. Alrighty guys, so the Nabisco single box cookies, these guys are buy one and get one free this week, and there's also a 75% off 2 coupon that came in this past week's Smart Source, so the 8/12 Smart Source I think it was. So final cost is going to be $1.54 when you buy 2 using this coupon, but just be careful with this coupon because you need to find a package that's 3.5 ounces or larger. So you could do it on the Oreos, that's fine. You could also do it on the Fig Newton cookies. You could also do it on the, not Ritz crackers, you could do it on the saltine crackers, and you could also do it on the Chips Ahoy cookies. So there's tons of varieties you can pick from. Okay guys, so we have a deal on the Halo Top ice cream as well as the So Delicious dairy-free ice cream. So these guys are on sale 2 for $9. Regular price is $6.29. So a 2 for $9 sale price is fantastic, you guys. And there is a $1.50 off 1 coupon in the 8/5 Smart Source for the Halo Top. So you can use 2 of those coupons. So it's going to drop it down to 2 for $6 or $3 a piece. Again, starting cost is $6.29. And there's also printable $1.50 off coupons for the So whatever the heck that is. So you can get them 2 for $6 as well. I like to have dairy in my yogurt, and I like to have dairy in my ice cream, but this is not a bad deal. So definitely take advantage of it. Okay, so the next one I'm going to share with you guys is the OGX dry shampoos. These guys are regular priced $8.99, but they're going to be on sale $6.99, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $4 extra care buck. So buy 2 of them for $13.98, you're going to get that $4 extra care buck. So final cost is $9.98 for 2, which is not a bad deal. And if you have that 4F18 CRT, you could use it here too. So I'm actually going to try this out, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Okay, so the Burt's Bees line, makeup line, these are on a spend 15, get $5 back in extra care bucks, which is great because this current promo running this week is spend 20, get 5. So this week we only have to spend 15. So I think this is great if you guys want to try out a different brand. I feel like this brand is very underrated in terms of the drugstore cosmetics. I've heard a lot of really good things of their foundation, so I might actually try it. We'll see. But my favorite thing from them are their satin lipsticks. So this was also in my drugstore lippy favorites. So my absolute favorite shade is this 501 Blush Basin. You guys have to try this out. It is like the perfect nude pink color. So I highly recommend this cosmetic line here at the drugstore. Alrighty, so my last deal is on the BH Splash. These guys are on sale 2 for $5. Regular price is $3.49, so I think getting them for $2.50 is great. So they have the juices, but then I'm also seeing that they also carry a strawberry lemonade as well. And also included in this 2 for $5 is the Big Mama Jammas of the Arizona tea. So these are 2 for $5 as well. Regular price is $3.29. So these are all the deals I have to share with you this week here at CVS. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all soon. Bye.